welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena, and in today's video we are going to be doing a very quick kids room cleanup slash car seat cleanup. So last night we went out to dinner, and on the way home one of my twins ended up getting car sick, and that's, it's always icky. So we got home and I took off the car seat cover and rinsed it off in my sink in the laundry room, and then got that into the washing machine right away. But I didn't take care of the car seat. I just left that in my garage, and so this morning I'm going to get this car seat, the actual car seat, not the cover because that's all nice and dry, but just this actual car seat, nice and clean, just with some spick and span here, and there was so many crumbs and things like that on this car seat besides ickiness. And then I also need to clean the car seat straps, because unfortunately when he got sick some of it did get on the straps, but you cannot remove them to put them in the washing machine. They don't allow that because it makes them weaker, and it kind of makes the integrity not as good. So the way I've found to get barf, which is, I know, TMI, out of car seat straps is to use a toothbrush and vinegar. And it works really well. It gets all the, because since there's grooves in that strap, the toothbrush just really gets all the ickiness out of those grooves really well, and the vinegar just gets it out really well, and it also takes care of the smell. So the vinegar will neutralize that smell. It smells gross while you're doing it, but then once it dries, you won't have that barf smell, you won't have the vinegar smell, and it'll be nice and clean. So anyways, this is what we're starting off with, and then it's just going to be a quick up in my kids' room. I strip their beds, get their beds clean, and put away some clothes, and that'll be it.
I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head, someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life.
So I wanted to get my twins' room cleaned up this morning, and I had done some of their laundry the other day, so their little hamper was down in the laundry room, so we just had clothes everywhere. Their little costumes were everywhere. My boys change costumes 10 times a day. If you've ever watched some of my videos, you'll notice that they're in a costume at the beginning of a video, and then they'll make another little appearance in another costume. But anyway, so I had to put their costumes away. They were helping me pick up their laundry here and put it in the hamper, not pantry. I'm crazy this morning, sorry guys. I can't talk. And then I'm just going to strip their beds. It's been about 2 weeks, and so I just need to clean their blankets and their little pillowcases and that good stuff. And then I'll also just take some of my Mrs. Meyer's and give their little beds a good little cleaning and dusting. And then after this, I'm just going to be working on some clothes. And yeah, we'll just continue on with some cleaning here.
Nothing in life is good. Tired and misunderstood. I would fight if I could. If I believed I should. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of
Okay, I am finished with their little beds. I'm moving over to this little dresser here. Just had to remove some books and a few toys. And then I'm going to be using just this Mrs. Meyer's again. I'm going to get this nice and clean. And I have some bins over here that I was going through some of their clothes, some of their like 4T things that just don't fit any longer, and packing them up. They're going down into the basement. And then we'll just give this room a nice quick vacuum. And then I have a laundry basket with clothes that at one point they were folded like a few days ago or so. But then the boys had they kept digging in there and getting some items, and then so I basically have to refold this basket of clothes, and then I'll put some of the items away, and then we'll be finished here for the day. Just a really quick video, just some quick cleaning motivation for this morning.
Elevating too easy at times. Then all of a sudden reality strikes. It was all just a lie. Don't you have a conscience? Don't you feel bad? Acting like a monster. Don't you feel sad? All I want is closure, but I'll have to manage without. How about that? If you could rewind, do it again. I wonder, would you hurt me just like you did? Or would you fast forward to the end? I wonder, so you wouldn't have to face what you did. You're a stupid boy, treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you. For believing lies for my clueless mind, but I didn't know what you do. I could have known it. I'm not a psychic. The only
Okay, so this is going to be the end of the video for today. Just a really quick kids' room cleaning motivation. And I've explained this a few times on my channel. I just kind of clean where my kids are playing, and just kind of figure out what I can do, you know, after we're finished playing and after we're finished doing whatever. I'll just like clean wherever I am. And so today they are just, you know, really wanting to go outside, so I can't do too much in here, which is typical, you know, like that's it's just life, I guess. I don't know. So we'll go outside, we'll do some playing, and then I'm actually going to do some cleaning outside while you know, they're out there and while I'm out there with them. So the next video you'll see will be an outside clean with me. But I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please consider watching another one. I will see you guys very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye!